Okay, children, today in our science class, we are going to learn the topic name is fiber to fabric. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn fibers, natural fibers, synthetic fibers, ginning, and knitting. So, first, already we discussed in the last class, right? So, what are fibers? We did this activity. We took a piece of fabric and we loosened the thread and we pull out one strand from that, yes, and if we loosen that, few more thinner strands from that, right, and those strands are called fibers. See here, so we discussed already, so fibers are two types.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I did not understand in the last class what is meant by fabric and fiber.
So fabric, okay, just a minute. Fabric is nothing but, see, fabric is made by fibers. బట్ట, ఇప్పుడు బట్టలో చాలా ఉంటాయి కదా దారాలు. సో దోస్ థిన్ స్ట్రాండ్స్ ఆర్ కాల్ ఫైబర్స్. సో ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ ఈజ్ మేడ్ బై ఫైబర్స్. ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ బట్ట. ఓకేనా? Is it clear?
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Okay. Fabric is nothing but cloth. Okay, cloth. So cloth is made by number of threads, right? So the threads has thin strands in it. So those thin strands are called fibers. Okay, the fabric is made by fibers. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right. So fibers are two types, right? Fibers are two types. The fibers of some fabric such cotton, jute, silk, and wool obtained from plants and animals. The fibers from the some fabrics as cotton. I think everyone know what are cotton fabric. Yes, silk, wool. Yes. So cotton, jute, silk, and wool fabrics or fibers are obtained from plants and animals. So these fibers are called natural fibers. These fibers are called natural fibers because
Natural
these
fibers.
fibers obtained from plants and animal. So if you observe cotton and jute are the examples of fibers obtained from plants. Okay, cotton and jute
Excuse me,
fiber.
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I'm not understanding what you are telling.
Okay, did you attend last class?
I'm not getting your voice, sir. I'm not understanding it.
I think Jane, please leave the class and Jane once again, please. Okay, I think it is your technical
sir.
issue. Okay, right. So natural fibers. Natural fibers are nothing but the fibers which obtained from plants and animal. So cotton and jute fibers obtained from plants. I think
Sir,
everyone what are cotton, right? See, you know very well about cotton. I think everyone have cotton with you, right? Cotton fibers, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
if you
Yes,
take the
sir.
cotton,
Yes,
so
sir.
see, there are small thin strands, right? If you observe the cotton, there are small thin strands. చిన్న చిన్న పోగులు ఉన్నాయి చూడండి దానికి. Observe the cotton properly. There are very small thin strands. పోగులు, right? So those strands are called fibers. Those strands are called fibers. So
Fibers.
we get these, yeah. We get these fibers from plant, cotton and jute fibers. Cotton and jute fibers are examples of fibers obtained from plants. And wool, I think everyone know wool. In winter season we like to wear wool sweaters, right?
Yes, sir. Wool coats.
Yes,
Woolen
silk.
coats. Sir.
Yes, silk. Yes, Nana, anybody have doubt?
Sir, jute means it is. No, sir. Sir, jute means jute.
Jute is a one type of fiber. Just a minute, I will show. Jute is a one type of fiber. It is we get these fibers from plants. Okay, jute fibers also obtained from plants. So
సార్ సుతిలి అంటారు.
I could you repeat it please?
సుతిలి అంటారు.
సుతిలీలు. ఇప్పుడు సుతిలి చూసారనుకోండి మీరు కామన్ గా మామూలుగా ఏదైనా ముడేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు కదా సుతిలి. సో బ్రౌన్ కలర్ లో ఉంటుంది. యా షో కుడ్ యూ ప్లీజ్?
Sir, I also have it.
Children, please, if you have any gunny bag near to you, show that gunny bag or thread, sutili, okay, rope, so which is in brown color. So those fibers are obtained from jute plant, the stem of jute. Yeah, please. Yeah, all of you
Also,
click on Anjali's or Megha's so you can able to see the brown color rope, right? The brown colored rope. So this brown colored rope has small thin strands in it. Just to దాన్ని కొంచెం లూజ్ చేయనా, you will get small thin strands from that, right? Just loosen the threads and you will get small thinner strands in that. So those, yes, good. See, observe children, all of you. These are called jute rope. Okay, see. దాన్ని కొనాన్ని కొంచెం ఇట్లా విడగొట్టు దాన్ని. ఆ కొనాన్ని 2-3 ముక్కలు చేయి, దాన్ని విడగొట్టి ఇట్లా దూరం చేయి. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫైబర్స్ ఎట్లా తీసాం ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ నుండి, అలా తీయు ఒక 2-3 5 see here. And if you see, observe, there are very small thin strands, right, in that rope. So these fibers we obtain from jute plant. These fibers obtained from jute plant. Anjali, very good. Anjali, Meghana, good. Yeah. So these fibers are obtained from jute plant, the stem of jute plant. So cotton and jute fibers we get from plants, right? So these are natural fibers. And wool, I think children, all of you click on my presentation. Okay. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Your voice is tracking.
I think it's your network problem. I think yeah. So if you observe wool, so sweaters, mufflers, and caps, monkey caps are made by wool fibers, right? Sweaters, mufflers, monkey caps. So these all are made by wool, because to get warm, right? We wear those wool clothes to get warm in winter season, right? So these clothes are made by wool, okay? And silk. Your mother in functions, I think you also have dress, I think so, with made by silk fiber. So silk, pattu cheelalu, pattu dress antaru meeku, yes. So it is made by, so the silk fibers obtained from silkworm. The fourth picture, if you observe, the silk fibers obtained from silkworm. The silk fiber obtained from silkworm. So wool and silk are natural fiber or synthetic fiber? Wool and silk are natural fiber or synthetic fiber?
Synthetic fiber.
Natural fiber.
Why? Yeah, natural fiber. The right answer is natural fiber, because we already discussed, right? The fibers which obtained from plants and animals, those fibers are called natural fibers. Okay.
Sir, what is that? There is fourth picture. What is that white color?
Silkworm. It is a insect, animal. Silkworm. Okay. I will show. Don't worry. We'll discuss about in the next concept. Okay. So the fibers which obtained from plants and animals, those fibers are called natural fibers. ఫైబర్స్ అయితే మనకు ప్లాంట్స్ నుంచి ఎనిమల్ నుంచి వస్తాయో ఆ ఫైబర్స్ ని న్యాచురల్ ఫైబర్స్ అంటారు. ఓకేనా? ద ఫైబర్స్ విచ్ ఆబ్టైన్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ప్లాంట్స్ అండ్ ఎనిమల్స్, దోస్ ఫైబర్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ న్యాచురల్ ఫైబర్స్. ఓకే. All of you
Okay, sir.
answer the question in chat box. Which
Okay,
fibers
sir.
obtained from plants? Which fibers obtained from plants? Which fiber obtained from plants? Which fibers? Natural fibers. Could you give two examples? Which fibers obtained from plants? Ah, very good. Wool and cotton.
Jute.
Meghana, very good. Yes, jute. Jute. Spelling is Jute. Jute. So natural fibers, right? Plants and animals, we get fibers from natural fibers, right? But what are the examples of fibers which are getting from plants? Cotton and jute, right? Cotton and jute. So cotton and jute fibers we are getting from plants. Now, what are the examples of fibers which we are getting from animals? Animals. What are the fibers we are getting from animals? Very good. Wool and silk. Wool and silk, right? So we get wool and silk fibers from animals. Wool and silk fibers from animals. So these all are natural fibers. These all are natural fibers.
Natural fibers.
Yeah. From where do we get wool? Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep. Fleece ante వెంట్రుకలు. Fleece ante వెంట్రుకలు. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. It is also obtained from hair of rabbit, yak, and camels. Okay. Wool is nothing, not we are getting not only from sheep, goat, okay, rabbit, yak, and camels. Okay, wool is obtained from fleece. Fleece ante ventrukalu. Fleece of sheep or goat. It also obtained from the hair of rabbits, yak, and camels. Silk fiber. Okay, from where do we get silk fibers? Silk fiber is drawn from the cocoon of silkworm. The cocoon of silkworm. How do we get? We'll discuss in the next class. Okay, silk fiber
Sir,
drawn from cocoon of
sir,
silkworm.
sir,
Yeah.
what is back? Sir, what?
Yeah.
Cocoon, you know?
Cocoon is nothing but it is a. I will show what we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, we don't waste
Okay,
time.
sir.
We'll discuss one by one. We'll discuss. Okay. So synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber. So we up to now we discussed about natural fibers, right? So what was mean by synthetic fiber? What does it mean by synthetic fiber? See, synthetic fiber. What are natural fibers? The fibers which are obtained from plants and animals, right? So opposite to this, the fibers which are not obtained from plants and animals. Okay, the fibers which are not obtained from plants and animals are called, those fibers are called synthetic fiber, or the fibers which are made by chemical substances. The fibers which are made by chemical substances. So those fibers are called synthetic fibers. There are two definitions. Okay. One is the fibers which not obtained from plants and animals are called synthetic
Natural
fibers.
fibers.
Yes. Another one is the fibers which are made from chemical substances are called synthetic
Synthetic
fiber.
fibers.
So what are the examples of synthetic fiber? Polyester, nylon, ac-
Acrylic.
sorry, acrylic. Okay, polyester, nylon, acrylic. These are the examples.
Sir, what is mean by acrylic?
It is a one type of fiber, synthetic fiber. అంతే అది నేమ్ ఓకేనా ఆ బట్ట యొక్క నేమ్ సింథటిక్ ఫైబర్ ఓకే సో అక్రిలిక్ సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద
Rayon, sir.
సింథటిక్ ఫైబర్
Sir, rayon is separate. Rayon, artificial silk, it is separate.
see these are some examples. It is not only so we have many synthetic fibers, right? Not only this, there are many synthetic fibers. These are the some examples. Okay, what are polyester, nylon, acrylic, rayon? So many fibers are there with synthetic. Okay, so the fibers which obtained from chemical substances. Okay, the fibers which obtained from chemical substances, those fibers are called synthetic fibers. Those fibers are called synthetic fibers. So these are the examples: polyester, nylon, acrylic. Okay, did you understand clearly what does it mean by natural fiber?
Understand, sir.
Understand, sir.
Very good. Yeah.
Fibers.
Next one. So these are natural fibers or synthetic fibers?
Natural fibers.
Natural fibers.
The
Natural fibers.
are these are natural fibers or synthetic fibers?
Natural
Hello, mute.
fibers.
Natural fiber.
Communicating charge. Children,
Sir,
communicating.
plant fibers means natural fibers.
Very good. Very good. So all of you communicate in chat box. Students, communicate in chat box. Okay. So plant fiber. So the fibers which are obtained from plants and animals, those are natural fibers, right? So plant fibers, first we are going to discuss about plant fibers. So we get cotton and jute fibers from plant. Okay, we get cotton and jute fibers from plant. So if you observe cotton plant, so this is how the cotton ball grow in the plant. Once it is matured, అంటే పండులాగా మారినప్పుడు it will blast, it will open. See how is it open? Like a bird, right? And see, when it is look like a flower now, right? Once it is grow, it look like a flower. So then they will harvest these cotton balls and they will send to factory. They will send to factory. Okay, fabric factory. See here, this is a cotton plant. Okay, once it mature, it will open. Okay, and when it is grow as much as fully, it will look like a flower. Okay,
Sir, cotton is prepared by
Sir, that is cotton, right?
yes, it is cotton. Cotton is.
Cotton in last class.
Could you repeat it?
You said to take some cotton in last class.
Shweta, could you repeat it? I did not get your point.
Sir, she's saying you said in last class take some cotton with you.
Yes, I already said that, right? Okay, wait a minute. See here, if you observe this, these are the cotton balls, right? Then finally they harvest. Okay, they collect these cotton balls and they send to factory. And if you observe jute plants, see here, the second row, the first picture is jute plants. Okay, jute plants. Second row, first picture. If you are not able to see, try to zoom it. Okay, jute plant. And so they will a stem of jutes, jute plants, Jute, jute plants. Okay, so they will cut the stems of jute. Okay, they cut the stems of jute. These are the stems of jute plants, and they will rotten in the water. అంటే నానబెడతారు కొన్ని రోజులు, ఒక 3 నుంచి 5 రోజుల వరకు నానబెడతారు నీటిలో. From that stems they will get jute fibers. From that stems of jute they will get jute fibers. This is how, third picture in second row. And from that jute fibers they will prepare ropes like this. From that jute fibers they will prepare ropes or gunny bags with that. Okay, observe the pictures carefully. Is it clear?
Clear,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Yeah. So next,
Yes, sir.
done about cotton. Cotton. So cotton wool. Wool means nothing but fiber. Okay. Cotton wool is used for oil lamps. Also used for filling mattresses
Sir,
and
Vicks
pillows.
Oil lamps.
ఆయిల్ ల్యాంప్స్ అంటే మనం ఇప్పుడు పాతకాలంలో దీపాలు ముట్టిస్తుండే, అవునా కాదా? దెర్ ఇస్ నో పవర్. సో
వత్తులు.
దీపాలు ముట్టించేటప్పుడు
సార్
వత్తులు, వత్తులు తయారు చేస్తారు కదా.
పిల్లోస్.
ఇప్పుడు పిల్లోస్ కాదు, విక్స్ అంటే వత్తులు. వత్తులు అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనము దీపాలు, దేవుడి దగ్గర దీపాలు ముట్టిస్తారు కదా.
అవును సార్. రైట్.
దీపావళి రోజు ముట్టిస్తాం సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్. See here, this is how. ఇట్లా తయారు చేసి కాటన్ అంటే దీపంతాలు ఇట్లా వేస్తారు కదా, తర్వాత ఆయిల్ వేసి ముట్టిస్తారు, అవునా? సో దిస్ ఈస్ కాటన్ విక్స్. ఓకే, అండ్ యూజ్ ఇట్ ఫర్ ల్యాంప్స్, రైట్? అండ్ ఫిల్లింగ్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్. మీరు పరుపులు ఉంటాయి కదా, పరుపులు. సో దోస్ పరుపు అంటే మన బెడ్ పైన ఉంటది కదా, బెడ్ కాట్ పైన బెడ్. So that mattresses and pillows filled by cotton. Mattresses
Cotton.
and pillows are filled by
Cotton. Filled by cotton, sir. Bed.
Okay, very good. See here, all of you children, take a small amount of cotton.
Sir, we not take, sir.
Okay, don't worry. If any, how many of you have cotton with you? Take a small amount of cotton. Okay. Take a small amount. See here. I have a cotton. All of you click on my name, my video. Click on my video. It is a cotton, right?
Sir, is it enough?
Yeah, it is small. If you take small amount also, it's enough, no problem. Okay, all of you click on my video. See here. So take first one edge. Take one edge. See here.
సార్ తాల్చుతున్నారా?
Yeah, all of you try to do this. Try to do like this. So see,
జల్దీగా ఇదే చెప్తారు మీరు. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో చూసే ఫోటో ఇదే చెప్తారని తెలుసు నాకు. సార్
see here. So we are getting, this is a fiber, right? See, it contains many small thin strands in it, right? It is a thread, right? It is a yarn or thread. Yes. So this thread contains many thinner small strands in it, right? See here. You observe,
అంజలి
children, if you observe the cotton, so there are very, very small strands in it, right? The very, very small strands in it. So these strands are called fibers. These strands are called fibers. Yes, but when I try to make yarn from this, so it's like a thread, right? It made like a thread with number of strands in it. With number of strands in it, right? See, try to make it like this. Yeah, very good, Mahalakshmi.
సార్ అది విభూతి ఉంటేనే వస్తుంది సార్.
Yeah, see here. Yes, that's right. But it's okay. See here, how strong it is. How strong it is.
ఎస్ సార్.
So when you spin it very well, it will become strong. When you spin very well, so like this. When you spin very well, it becomes strong. Okay. So spinning.
Sir, do from first one.
See how
Sir,
strong.
you know very well.
How strong.
Sir, do from first.
First.
Sir, by Vibhuti it will
Okay.
come
Take a small quantity. Okay. Take a small quantity of cotton. Okay. Just do like this. Okay. and you will get small fibers. Okay, take a one edge of
Sir, it is
fibers.
not coming.
See here. Yeah. Right?
Something like this. What is it?
Yeah. Okay. So see here. The cotton, from cotton fibers, we are making yarn, right? We are making thread. From cotton yarn fibers, we are making thread. So this is how they will make threads. Okay. But in earlier days, they are using their hands to make thread, but there are number of machines to make threads, right? There are
All of you
number
mute.
of machines to make thread, right? So let's discuss about cotton. Okay, turn off your videos, and I think if you get, that's very well. Otherwise, try at home. Okay, thank you.
Sir, I
So cotton wool is used for wicks for oil lamp. Okay, wicks for oil lamps and also used for filling mattresses and pillows. Take some cotton wool and pull it. Okay, take some cotton wool. It,
on video.
no, I turn off my video. Do you want to turn on your video? You can, no problem. So if you want to show the cotton thread, you can turn on your videos. Okay, thank you very much. So all of you take a small quantity of cotton and pull it a part of look at edge. The small thin strands that you see are made of cotton fibers. So if you observe the cotton, see, it is made from small fibers, right? It is made from thin small fibers. Thin small fibers. Very good, Mubashira. Try it little thin. Okay. So see here, the cotton is made of very small thin strands, pogulla, right? So these fibers are called cotton fibers. These fibers are called cotton fibers. So the small thin strands that you see are made of cotton fibers. So these are cotton fibers, right? See here, how is it? Cotton
Where is
fiber.
it?
Yeah. Very good. Cotton fiber. See how small it is, how thin it is, right? How thin the fiber. Very good, Mahalakshmi. Yes, very good. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So if you observe the cotton properly, there are very small thin strands. Pogul laga unnai kada. So those fibers are called cotton fibers. Those fibers are called cotton fibers. So cotton is grown in the fields. ఎక్కడ పెరుగుతాయి cotton? Fields, పొలాల్లో, చేనులో. ఓకేనా? So cotton is grown in the fields. So cotton plants are usually grown at place having black soil and warm climate. అంటే నల్లరేగడి తెలుసా? బంకమట్టి ఉండే నేలల్లో ఈ కాటన్ ఫైబర్స్ అనేటి కాటన్ ప్లాంట్స్ అనేటివి పెరుగుతాయి. ఓకేనా? బంకమట్టి. ఓకేనా?
కాటన్ ది ఒకటి పెరగాలంటే దానికి ఒక సీడ్ గానీ ఏమైనా కావాలి కదా. ఇప్పుడు కాటన్ స్టెమ్ నుంచి వచ్చిందా లేకపోతే సీడా?
Seeds. Actually, if you have seeds in cotton, you can observe there are number of seeds in cotton, right? Cotton fiber. We get from cotton seeds. Cotton seeds. Okay, we get cotton from cotton seeds. Okay. So,
Sir, can I show seeds?
yeah.
Sir, cotton protect from cotton seeds.
Yes. From seeds. Okay. If anybody have cotton seeds, please show.
Seed.
Yeah. Cotton seeds. Cotton seeds. Okay. Can you remove from the cotton? Could you remove, please, seeds from the cotton? Could you remove the seeds from the cotton and show properly?
Okay.
Definitely. So we get cotton. When we sapling the cotton seed, we get cotton plant. And mostly the cotton plants grow at black soil. Okay? బ్లాక్ సాయిల్ అంటే నల్ల రేగడి నేలలు, ఓకేనా, నల్ల బంకమట్టి నేలలు, ఓకేనా. అండ్ వార్మ్ క్లైమేట్, ఇట్ నీడ్ వార్మ్, ఓకేనా, ఇట్ నీడ్ హాట్ క్లైమేట్.
Some seeds in cotton.
See here, Mahalakshmi, click on Mahalakshmi video, you can able to see the cotton, right? Yeah, Meghana also. Mahalakshmi.
Yes.
So those are the cotton seeds, right? Meghana and click on that. You can able to see the seeds of cotton, right? So if we sapling those seeds in the soil, we may get plants, right? So mostly, usually the cotton plants grow on black soil. The cotton plants grow on black soil. Ante nalla gadi ban-
Black soil.
Yes, right? And it need warm climate. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇప్పుడు ఈ కాటన్ ని మనం నీటిలో ముంచినాం అనుకో, ఏమైపోతుంది?
తడిసిపోతుంది సార్, ఇంకా బరువు కూడా ఉంటది. కాటన్ వాటర్ లో వేస్తే బరువు కూడా ఉంటది సార్.
Right? Very good. So it may spoil, right? It may spoil. So cotton, so it need warm climate. Okay, వేడిగా ఉండాలి. It need warm climate. So మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు వర్షాలు పడుతున్నాయి కదా,
అంటే ఒక క్లైమేట్ కి బట్టి పొలాల్లో దాన్ని బట్టి ఉంటాయి కదా సార్, ఏం వేయాలో అవి ఉంటాయి కదా. మరి కాటన్ ఏ సీజన్ లో పండిస్తారు?
maximum see here, mostly it will sapling at August or September month. ఎప్పుడైతే కాటన్ బాల్స్ ఇట్లా ఓపెన్ అవుతాయో అప్పుడు సమ్మర్ సీజన్ ఉండాలి, ఓకేనా. సమ్మర్ సీజన్ ఉంటే వర్షాలు పడాయి కదా, సో కాటన్ అనేది స్పాయిల్ కాదు, అవునా కదా?
Sir, I'm showing some more seeds.
సార్ కాటన్ ఓన్లీ వాటర్ లో పెట్టకుండా కాటన్ ని చూస్తే చాలా అంటే లెస్ వెయిట్ లో ఉంటది, కానీ వాటర్ లో ముంచి వెయిట్ చూస్తే చాలా బరువు ఉంటది కదా సార్.
Because it absorb the water in it, okay, it can absorb the water like sponge, okay, it absorb the water like sponge. So we are going to learn about these things in next lesson, okay, don't worry, right? So
Sir, I'm showing seeds.
yeah, see, all of you click on Meghana's video, you can able to see the cotton seeds, okay, you can able to see the cotton seeds. So these seeds, if we sapling the seeds, we can get plant. So mostly cotton plants usually grow on black soil with wet warm climate. So cotton plants are about size of a lemon. If you see, already you saw, right? Cotton balls is look like the size of lemon, right? The size of lemon. See, observe here. See, this is the cotton ball, right? It look like a lemon, right? Cotton ball. Click on my presentation, everyone. Click on my presentation. So it is a cotton ball. So it is look like a lemon. Once it mature, it grow it. So it's opened, right? The cotton ball opened, and it like a flower, right? It look like a flower. Once it grow like this, yeah. After maturing, the ball burst open the seeds. అంటే బ్రస్ట్ అంటే పేలిపోతుంది అన్నట్టు, ఓకేనా. పేలిపోవడం అంటే నిజంగా బ్లాస్ట్ అవ్వడం అంటే బాంబు లెక్క బ్లాస్ట్ కాదు, జస్ట్ ఓపెన్, ఇట్ విల్ ఓపెన్, ఓకే. సీడ్స్ ఉంటాయి, సీ అబ్జర్వ్, లుక్ లైక్ ఎ ఫ్లవర్, ఇట్ లుక్ లైక్ ఎ ఫ్లవర్, రైట్. సో అక్కడ నుండి మనం కాటన్ ఫైబర్ ని తీసుకుంటాం. From that balls we'll get cotton fiber, okay, from that balls we get cotton fiber, and they will harvest and they will send this cotton to factories to make fabric, cotton fabric. Is it clear?
Clear sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. One doubt.
Yeah. Does anybody have doubts?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఫ్లవర్స్ పేరు చెప్పుతున్నప్పుడు కాటన్ ఫ్లవర్ అని చెప్పవచ్చా?
No. It is look like flower, I said. It's not flower. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
It is a fruit, cotton fruit. Okay. It is not flower.
ఓకే సార్. ఇట్ ఇస్ క్యూట్.
It is fruit. Okay. I said it look like a flower, right? అంటే ఫ్లవర్ లాగా కనబడుతుంది అని చెప్పా అంతే.
Cotton is a fruit.
Yeah, cotton ball is a fruit.
Sir, we can eat.
No. See, All fruits are not eatable. All fruits are not eatable fruits. Okay.
Sir, can you explain synthetic fibers?
Yeah, definitely. Synthetic fibers are nothing but, see, ఏ ఫైబర్స్ అయితే ప్లాంట్స్ నుంచి కానీ ఎనిమల్స్ నుంచి కానీ రావో ఆ ఫైబర్స్ ఏమంటారు సింథటిక్ ఫైబర్స్. ద ఫైబర్స్ విచ్ నాట్ obtained from plants and animals, those fibers are called synthetic fibers, right? And the fibers which obtained from, which made by chemical substances, అంటే ఏ ఫైబర్స్ అయితే కెమికల్స్ తోటి తయారు చేస్తారో ఆ ఫైబర్స్ ఏమంటారు సింథటిక్ ఫైబర్స్. ద ఫైబర్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ మేడ్ ఫ్రమ్ chemical substances. So those fibers are called synthetic fibers, right? So see here now.
Yes, sir.
I think mostly the cotton plants grown on black soil with warm climate. Okay, usually the cotton plants grow in black soil with warm climate. See the cotton balls. Yeah. So the cotton balls are about the size of lemon size. After maturing the balls, it burst and open the seeds. Cover with cotton fibers can be seen. Manam chusam kada ippadaka fruit ni. So it looks like that. See here. There is a first image, right? First image in that picture. So it looks like.
Yes, sir.
It looks like the cotton plant. How beautiful it is.
Yes, sir. Nice.
నేను నిజంగా కూడా చూసాను.
Very good. That's very nice. Okay, children. So once they harvest the cotton fiber, they will collect these all cotton fibers. Okay, see here. Second picture. Observe the second picture. Second picture, middle one. Follow my pointer. Okay. So this is how the cotton fruit look like. Okay. Then they will collect these all fibers, cotton fiber, and send it to the factory. They will send to the factory. Second, see here. Send to the factory, and in factory they will remove the seeds from the cotton.
Mission.
Yeah, they will remove the seeds from the cotton. Now Mahalakshmi and Meghana showed, right? They remove the cotton seeds from the cotton fibers, right? So the removing the seeds from the cotton called ginning. Okay? Remove
What,
that.
sir?
Ante removing seed from the cotton fibers. Removing seed from the cotton fiber is called ginning. Okay, na? With the comb.
It's called winning.
Yeah,
Women, sir.
Ginning. 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 Okay, we'll discuss in the next topic. Okay, there is a slide. See here, Ginning. Ginning. Ginning of cotton. From the cotton balls, cotton is usually picked by hand. Ante chetone teestaru. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. See here how they are removing seeds from the cotton. How are they removing seeds from the cotton? There is two types. We can remove the seeds from by hand or by comb. Okay, we can remove the seeds from the hand by the hand or by comb. So removing seed from the cotton fibers are called ginning. Ginning. Removing the fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. The fibers are separated from the seeds by combing, and this process is called ginning of cotton. Ginning of cotton. The fibers are separating from seeds by comb. This process is called ginning. Okay? Yes. Removing seeds from the cotton by comb is called ginning. Okay? Is it clear? Okay, we'll discuss. No problem.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah. No, I will show. Next we are going to learn about jute plant. Okay? Jute. So we already discussed, right? Jute fibers are obtained from jute plant. Jute fibers are obtained from stem of jute.
Jute plant.
Yeah, if you observe the first picture, see, these are the jute plants. First picture. Jute plants. How is it? Jute plant. So it is cultivated during the rainy season. Okay? Cultivated during the rainy season. Jute fibers. Jute fibers. Okay. In India, jute is mainly jute fibers. ఫైబర్స్ ఇప్పుడు సుతిలీలు చూపించాను కదా మీకు, సుతిలీలు, గోనె సంచులు.
ఎస్ సార్ విను కాట్ సుతిలీలు దారం.
యా యా, ఆ దారాలు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వచ్చాయి, ఆ ఫైబర్స్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వచ్చాయి అంటే జూట్ ప్లాంట్ నుండి వచ్చాయి. ఓకేనా?
The jacket also made of jute.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఒక్కసారి మీ పేరెంట్స్ కి అడగండి. యా యా, చిల్డ్రన్ ప్లీజ్ వెయిట్. ఒకసారి మీ పేరెంట్స్ కి అడగండి, నాన్న గోనె సంచులు అంటే ఏంటి ఒకసారి చూపియు అని. గోనె సంచులు లేదా గన్నీ బ్యాగ్స్. ఓకే, గోనె సంచులు లేదా గన్నీ బ్యాగ్స్ మీ పేరెంట్స్ అందరికీ తెలుసు, అందరు చూపిస్తారు. మీకు గోనె సంచులు అడిగినా, సుతిలీలు అడిగినా అందరు చూపిస్తారు. సో వన్స్ యూ సీ, యా అబ్జర్వ్ ద గన్నీ బ్యాగ్స్ అండ్ the ropes, so you will get
Meghana did experiment.
Yes, very good. So if you observe the gunny bag, there are number of small strands in it. అంటే చిన్న చిన్న పోగులు ఉంటాయి అందులో కూడా. ఓకేనా? there are number of small strands, so those strands obtained from jute plant. Jute plant. See, Sai Charan, one second. Please show.
Yes sir.
చూడండి ఇటు కొంచెం దూరం పెట్టు. యా
So it is resounding.
యా
Sir, who is showing?
యా, Sai Charan Chudreva. Okay, it's okay. Once you ask your parents, okay, you will able to see in your surroundings. Okay, so if you observe the gunny bags or ropes, there are number of small strands, పోగులు లాగానే ఉంటాయి. So those fibers are obtained from jute plant. ఇప్పుడు మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది పంటలు కోస్తారు కదా, రైస్, వడ్లు కోయడం, పప్పులు కోయడం చేస్తారు కదా, వీటిని ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ చేస్తారు? ప్యాక్ చేస్తారు సంచి కదా. those bags made by jute fibers, okay, not plastic bags. Okay, jute bags, gunny bags. Okay, so those fibers obtained from jute plant. So observe the first picture. These are jute plants. So it is cultivated during the rainy season. Okay, the rainy season lo start చేస్తారు. And in India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఏ స్టేట్స్ లో పెంచుతారు? వెస్ట్ బెంగాల్, బీహార్
And Assam.
Yeah, the jute plant is normally harvested when it is flowering stage. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ ప్లాంట్స్ ఫ్లవర్స్ ని ఇస్తాయో, ఓకేనా, ఈ ప్లాంట్స్ ఎప్పుడైతే ఫ్లవర్స్ వస్తాయో అప్పుడు వాటిని కట్ చేస్తారు. ఓకేనా, they will cut the stems, harvested. Okay, the jute plant is normally harvested. Could you repeat it?
So it will come from there, from Bihar.
Yes. So jute plant is normally harvested అంటే కట్ చేయడం. yes, when it is flowering stage, అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే ఫ్లవర్స్ పూస్తాయో అప్పుడు కట్ చేస్తారు. The stems of the harvested plants are immersed in water for a few days. ఏం చేస్తారు కట్ చేసిన తర్వాత? ఇమ్మర్స్ అంటే నీటిలో ముంచడం. ఓకేనా, నానబెట్టడం. ఇమ్మర్స్ అంటే
Sir, your voice is sucking.
I think so. Yeah. సో ఇమ్మర్స్ అంటే ఏంటి నాన్న? ఇప్పుడు హార్వెస్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా, కట్ చేస్తారు కదా ప్లాంట్స్ ని, ఆ ప్లాంట్స్ యొక్క స్టెమ్స్ ని ఏం చేస్తారు? నీటిలో నానబెడతారు ఒక 4 to 5 days. They will immerse the stems of jute plants for few days. Okay, they immerse, harvested plants are immersed in water for a few days. అంటే నానబెడతారు వాటర్ లో. ఓకేనా, few days. The stems, root and fibers are separated from the hand. ఇప్పుడు నానబెట్టగానే ఏమైపోతున్నాయి? ఆ ఫైబర్స్ అన్ని కూడా దూరం అయిపోతాయి. సో వన్స్ ద రూట్ నానబెట్టగానే ఏమైపోతాయి? ఫైబర్స్ అన్ని దూరంగా అయిపోతాయి. అప్పుడు ఆ ఫైబర్స్ అన్ని తీస్తారు అన్నట్టు. దే విల్ గెట్ ఫైబర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టెమ్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? See, once children zoom the pictures, you will understand. Yeah, try to zoom the pictures. Yeah, try to zoom the pictures.
So
You will children. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Just a minute. I will leave and join within the second.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. All of you click on my name. Presentation. Click on my presentation. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Click.
So if you observe the images, try to zoom the images, okay? Then you will understand, okay? So the first picture is jute plants. So mainly the jute plants are grow in Assam, West Bengal, Bihar. So once the plants get flowering stage, they will harvest అంటే కట్ చేస్తారు. తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తారు? దే విల్ ఇమ్మర్స్డ్ ఇన్ వాటర్. ద స్టెమ్స్ ఆఫ్ జూట్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఇమ్మర్స్డ్ ఇన్ వాటర్ నానబెడతారు. సే అందులోకి వెళ్ళి ఆ స్టెమ్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళి ఫైబర్స్ వస్తాయి. యూ కెన్ జూమ్ ఇట్ అండ్ యూ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్. సీ హియర్ పిక్చర్స్, సెకండ్, థర్డ్, ఫోర్త్, ఫిఫ్త్ పిక్చర్స్. జూమ్ ఇట్. ట్రై టు ఓకే, ట్రై టు జూమ్ ఇట్.
What is the meaning of start picture?
Yeah, yeah. See, in second picture,
Double click
they
on photo.
water. Yeah, in second picture, they immerse the what immersed in water. The jute stems immersed in water. నానబెట్టిరు సెకండ్ పిక్చర్ లో. థర్డ్ పిక్చర్ లో ఏం చేస్తారు? అవి నానబెట్టిరు కదా, అందులోకి వెళ్ళి ఫైబర్స్ తీస్తున్నారు. దే కెన్ రిమూవ్ ద ఫైబర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టెమ్, రైట్? అండ్ ఇన్ థర్డ్ పిక్చర్ they will getting remove from the water that fibers.
And they'll dry it.
ఎండబెట్టేస్తున్నారు, అవునా? See here. Finally, they will get these fibers. See, fifth picture. Observe the fifth picture. Finally, they will get fibers from the jute plant. So with the help of these fibers, they will make different types of things like gunny bags, robes, handbags. Okay, they will make number of things. Okay.
Sir, third picture, they are fishing.
నో, ఫిషింగ్ కాదు. థర్డ్ పిక్చర్ ఆ ఫైబర్స్ ని తీస్తున్నారు. ఇట్లా తీయాలి, ఆ వాటర్ లో కొట్టుకుంటా తీయాలి. అయితే వాటర్ వెళ్ళిపోతాయి, ఫైబర్స్ వస్తాయి బయటకి.
Okay, sir. I will understand.
యా, ఇది క్లియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్?
Yes, sir.
Fibers
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Somebody
Clear,
asking
sir.
one
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Could you
Yes, sir.
yeah. So this is how we get jute fibers from jute plants. We get jute fibers from jute plant. Is it clear? So
Plant.
jute fibers
Yes, sir.
are
It's clear.
jute fibers are obtained from jute plant. Okay, they harvest the jute plants and immersed in water for few days. Then they will get jute fibers from the stem of the jute plant. Okay, right. I think we are running out of time, children. Thank you very much for your active participation. I think if you
Thank you, sir,
Thank
for
you, sir.
explaining.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Sir, you done the homework in Google Classroom.
okay, children, please wait. Okay. Mr.
Sir, you send in homework in Google Classroom.
No, I did not